the other great use for unit tests, you were talking about doing stuff for hardware. So how many times do you write stuff for hardware and they give you the spec, but the thing isn't built yet? They do that, right? Okay. How many times when they build it does it do exactly what the spec says?
I'm going with 0.
Right. But if you have the original spec, and who? Well, actually, here's the next question: who do they blame when it doesn't work? Do they blame the hardware or do they blame you?
Oh, they always blame me.
Correct. So here's the deal: you take your spec, you write your driver like the way I showed you over there, and you write unit tests for everything, like tons of them. And it might take longer, but trust me, it's worth it because then, when the hardware comes in,
The hardware will be late in.
and the hardware doesn't work, yeah, that's the other reason, you got time, right? But the hardware doesn't work, right? And they say, no, it's you. You say, hey, look, here's your spec. Here's my tests that prove that all my stuff does exactly what your spec says. So you go figure out, you troubleshoot, and you tell me either, you figure out what's wrong, you decide if you want to go rev your hardware or if I need to rev my software. But you don't have to spend any time troubleshooting. Does that sound like a big win? It sounds like it saved me a heck of a lot of time.